So very good afternoon. Today applications of Bernoulli and binomial distributions. Bernoulli distribution and by application of binomial distribution problems you have to learn in this unit. So this content we are using this unit will be able to identify the situations can Bernoulli use a distribution or binomial Bernoulli distribution or binomial distribution or learn. And the parameters of statistics of the distribution when given feature the description of the problem. In Unit 1 of Black, we considered the theoretical properties and characteristics of Bernoulli and binomial distribution. Now let us consider some situations where the above distributions can be used as some numerical illustration which test the properties of the above distribution. So what is the Bernoulli distribution? We have to learn here. Yeah, URN considers a W and B block balls here. Sorry. Balls are drawn with a replacement so that composition of the URN is not changed. Balls considered a success in the case of Bernoulli distribution, the probability is equal to W by W plus C. So we can each constant we can each call the constant in each draw. We have to predict the probability success is that is constant in each draw. For one example, we have to take it. If a pair of a pair that is thrown game of snakes and leaders then moving the fields takes odd number of positions or even number of positions. So for toss we are doing one toss being here. So that is negative or positive. So dice should be head and tail. Head and tail we can write both the same head gauge tail gauge. That is P is equal to Q is equal to 1 by 2. If the game of business or a trade appear dice thrown, if rolling the same number on the both dice considered success of the Bernoulli distribution. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 okay. But dice 6 ఉంటుంది 1 by 6 1 by 6 అవుతుంది. So therefore that is we can write here 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 also we can write here. So one another example we have to see here. The example considered an example shown above example x is equal to 1. The number 2 dice x is equal to 0 if do not match when x greater than variance of x. X greater than variance of we can see here. So x is equal to in the above problem 1 by 6 is that for x is equal to 1. So therefore PQ is equal to 5 by 6. Not 1 by 6 and 5 by 6. Then x is equal to. E of x is equal to you can take that 1 by 6 and PQ is equal to 1 into 5. 5 by 6 into 6 36 we can write here. So therefore E of x is equal to P by 1 by 6, PQ is equal to 5 by 36. So multiply we are doing here. So E of x is equal to 1 by 6 is equal to. So 1 by 6 means what is mean 1 by, so 6 dice means 6 by 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 5 by 6. So 6 is the highest. So therefore E of x is equal to 6 by 36 divided by 5 by 36 is equal to variance of the x written right here. Applications of binomial distribution. So binomial distribution is an important discrete distribution for finite sample size and constant probability of success. It is used for discrete variables like number of defective units in a sample, number of patients responding to a treatment, number of people who answered yes to survey question, etc. So we are taking the number of defective sample, number of persons, number of who people are not answered yes to survey question. So it is easy to construction control charts now acceptance system. Suppose one example we have to take. Rohit Sharma scored a century as an opener in 6 ODIs, but out of 10 he played last session. He opens the innings in 10 ODIs in the season. What is the probability he will score 8 or more centuries? Assuming the maintenance the same consistently as in previous season. So what is the opener? If P is equal to 0.6, that is 6 by 10, you can take that. Opener told 6 ODIs, but 6 ODIs means 6 by 10. X number of centuries scored in present season. X now of ODIs and played in this season. X and Y that is So P exceeded than 8, we have to take here. Summation of x is equal to 8 to 10 ODs. So 10cx by 6 by 10x 4 by 10 10 by 6. So this is an example what they did not given by number of ODs and number of centuries they did not given. So suppose we are writing x and 10 minus x, we are writing here only. Another example. In a town, cab aggregator has 13 vehicles of the same model. The probability that a car is hide 0.8. The demands for the vehicles are independent. What is the probability? All the vehicles are hide on a particular day. All of them remain hide. The group two, the 2 points they are asked in that one. So in this example, the probability the car is which they are writing here. 0.8. The 0.8 we have taken here. The number of independent trials which is 30. X denote the number of trials to extract distribution. N is equal to 13 and P is equal to 0.8. Then we are required to find here probability x is equal to 13. That means probability means 13 is 13 C33 0.8. 0.8 we have given here. 0.2 13 minus 13 the number of hairs. So 0.8 that is 0.20 that means 1. So that is a 0.18 into 3. So 13 C3 13 of C of 13 is equal to 1. That the multiplication 0.050. When P of x is equal to 0, 13 is 0, then 0.80, 0.12 minus 13 is 0 also 1, 0.12 that is 0 also 1, sorry, 0.80 also 1, so then 0.213 is equal to 0 is equal to 0, there is a value of the output. Another example you have to see here. A pack of playing cards can be dichotomized into black cards and red cards. If getting a red card is considered as success, then the probability success P is equal to number Q is equal to 1 by 2. So both are the same 1 by 2 P and Q also. If 5 cards are selected with replacement, what is the probability of getting 3 red and 2 black cards? So X is a binomial distribution is equal to 5 and P is equal to 1 by 2. We require X is equal to 3, that means we have right here. Five cards, each of 5 cards. So I'm writing 5 cards. The 5 cards which replacing the probability of 3 red and 2 black cards, 3 red and 2 black cards. So 5C3 1 by 2 9 to 3 1 by 2 5 minus 1 by 2. Therefore 5C3 1 by 2 full cube. 1 by 2 5C3 1 by 2 1 by 2 whole square. So there is we have did not written here 1 by 2 whole square also we have to written. So this is 1 by 4 did not written here. Then we can 5 factorial by 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. So 3 factorial into 1 by 2 whole cube into 1 by 2 whole square. So it's a simplification we can get the answer. We can see here. From past experience, an insurance firm found that in 2 by 2, 2 by 1000 seconds, 2 by 1000 accidents report to the company, the victim is permanently disabled. Find the probability. No permanent disability occurred in 15 accidents. So 2% were permanently disabled in 15 accidents are reported. So we have to take here. No person is disability. No person means there is the first one 15 accident 2 by 1000. So 2 by 1000 means there is 0.0. 2 by 100 is 0.02. 2 by 1000 is 0.002. The number of accidents reported in is equal to 15. We have to that is the number of permanently disabled persons in these 15 seconds to meet. Px is equal to 0. That is 15 is 0. 0.002 whole power 0. 0.998. What is the power? 1 minus 0.002. So 1 minus p plus q is equal to 1. We have taken here 0.998. We have taken here 0.90. X is equal to 2. We are taking the same 15c2. So this is a 2% given that is 15 C2, 0.02 permanently disabled 15 accident, 0.02 whole square 0.998 from the 15 whole square. They are multiplying the C, the answer will be same here. Another example, in a room, there are 3 lamp holders from a collection of 10 bulbs, which 7 are good. A person selects 3 at random and puts them in these 3 holders. Then find the probability that the room is illuminated at night. The probability a bulb works is equal to 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7. So 7 they have given the holder C here. 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7. So let extreme x be denote the number of the bulbs are working. There will be light in the room. The room is limited with at least one of the bulbs works. So need x greater than or equal to 1, p x equal to 1 plus p x equal to 2 x equal to 3. Why we are writing x equal to 1, x equal to x equal to 3 here? So therefore only that taking the 3 random. So select the 3 random put in the 3 folders. So we are taking 3 here. Summation of x equal to 1 to 3 cx. That is 0.71 what will be 0.7x and 0.73 minus x. P power x and q power x now p power 3 minus x we are taking the value. So 3cx. So we are applying the same value here. What is x here? What is x and y values we are substituting here? So the 0.1890, 0.100, is the value output we are getting here. So what we are doing here, x value we are substituting here. The x value we are substituting here, and then x value substituting here, then x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, 3x is 3x1 0.7x, 0.3 minus 1, and 2 also 3c2 0.7 whole power 2, and also 0.53 minus 2 the here, and also 3c3 0.7 whole power 3, 0.33 minus 3. All should be taking the consideration the value 0.97 here. Alternatively, p x is greater than 1, it is 1 minus probability x less than 1. So therefore, p is 0, 0, 0. Then 0 we have to apply the value 0.20, 0.0270, we are taking the 0.97. This is your output area. In an examination, there are 10 multiple choice questions with 4 alternates for each question. Only one of the alternates is correct. The student resorts to guessing while answering each question. If there is no negative scoring, what is the probability that it gets at least 60% marks in the exam? All the questions carry difference. So we are getting a question paper here. So in the examination, they have to get question marks. They are giving you. The chance of the students, this is correct, p is equal to 1 by 4. So they are giving here 4, p by 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. P plus p is equal to 1, and I am taking here the formula. So what the q is equal to p is equal to 1 minus p. P means the given here value here. 1 minus 1 by 4 means 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means 0.75, 0.75, 0.25 is 1 we are taking here. Here 10 is equal to 0 they given here. Here estimate the number of answers correctly used by the students. You can express x is greater than 6. So summation of x equal to 10, 10, 6, 0.2 for all for 0.7 for 10 minus x. So we can here 0.162. NCX means we are applying the same here. X is equal to, so we are applying the same values here. First, second, third, fourth value, 4 values we are applying here. So output is 0.17, 197 that is 0. 0.019 means 19 means we are taking the approximate 0.02. Alternatively also, this is correct or not, we can check here. This is correct or not, we can check here. Probability x is 6 minus 1 minus probability x less than 6, 1 minus p0, p1, p2, p3, p4, p5. The values we can find p0. P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 values we are finding the same here. So we are finding the 10C0, 10C1, 10C2, 10C3, 10C4, 10C5. That means 0.025 all power 1, 0.25, 7 for 10 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 5. That is 1 minus total value is 1 minus 0.9799. So point is 0.02, 0.02 means we can ignore it 0.3, this is 0. After above 5, we can 0.3. So we have the idea of 0.02. And the actual done, alternative is also done. The same thing, same has been, both are same. The alternative and virginal they have done the same. Another example, determine the binomial distribution which mean is 4 and variance is to find its more of the whole of one common. So let x equals to b and p. We are given mean e of x equal to np is equal to 4. Then s of x equal to np 3. Then q is equal to 3 by 4. P is equal to 1 minus 2. So 1 by 4. So np is equal to given that np is equal to 4. They given in the mean, they given that np is equal to 4. And p is equal to 4 into 4. Q is equal to 1 minus 4. So we can multiply them over p is equal to 16. The probability function of the distribution is p of x equals 16cx. Pcx is equal to 16cx 1 by 4x 3 by 4 16 minus 6. To find the mode n plus 1 into p, n plus 1 into p we are taking here. N plus 1 means 16, 16 plus 1 17. So 16 plus 1 is 17. Then 1 by 4, that is 16 minus 4, we get that to find the mode here. This is a formula n plus 1 into p. So 17 is 1 by 4, there is a mode is equal to 4.25. Which we did not take 4.25, that means 4 we have to take here. 4 we have to take here only. Then find the I am audible. వినబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So find the binomial distribution. N is equal to 8, P is equal to 2, but we find the mode of the distribution. So N is equal to 8 and the formula is find the binomial distribution, find the mode of the distribution means n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into P. So n plus 1 means 8, 8 ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ 8 ఇచ్చాడు 8 plus 1 9 P అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 ఇచ్చాడు 3 1 by 3 3 గా it is the binomial distribution is x is 5 and 6. So 6 under 5 month a point లో x is equal to 5 and 6 లో ఉండొచ్చు. Another example, find the binomial distribution n is equal to 10, p is equal to 2 by 3 and find its mode. Because the formula is n plus 1 is equal to p. N plus 1 into p, that is n plus 1 means it is a 10. 10 plus 1 is 12, 22 by 2 by 3. So 22 by 3. Integer part of 22 by 3. ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా 22 by 3 అంటే? ఈశ్వరి
I mean 3 7s are 21 వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
అంతే 3 7 21.1 కాబట్టి 7.1 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 7 తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్. ఐ మీన్ పాయింట్ వైజ్ కాకుండా ఓన్లీ నెంబరింగే తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
అంతే. This is check your progress, you have to do. This is exercise problem. So in this unit we learned here binomial distribution and important distribution here. Finite sample we are taking here and probability success. We use it to discrete variables like number of defective and unique in a sample, number of patients responding to treatment, number of people who answered to survey question. We use it to construction and control charts and accepting sample. One example we have to first short bit they have asked to see here. Mean of binomial distribution is 4. 4 and variance is 5. The above statement is correct. We are checking. Incorrect. Mean greater than variance ఉన్నది. ఇక్కడ ఉందా mean greater than variance ఉందా ఇక్కడ? Mean greater than variance ఉందా? లేదు కదా?
లేదు.
Mean తక్కువ ఉంది, variance ఎక్కువ ఉంది. కాబట్టి it is incorrect statement. The mean and the variance of the binomial distribution of 4 and 4 by 3. What is the probability of x greater than 1? See here. NP is equal to 4, NPQ. P plus Q is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. Then Q is equal to 4 minus 3 by 1. ఎంత వస్తుంది వచ్చేయమ్మా? 4 minus 3 by 1.
1 వస్తుంది సార్.
1/3 వస్తుందమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు p plus q is equal to 1. అవునా? q is equal to 1 minus p. అవునా?
అవును సార్.
ఈశ్వర్ 1 minus p అంటే ఎంత ఉందమ్మా ఇక్కడ?
4/3. ఓకే.
1/3 కదా?
1/3 వస్తుంది సార్.
మైనస్ వస్తే అక్కడ మైనస్ మనం తప్పు రాసుకున్నాం, మైనస్ వస్తుంది. మైనస్ రావాలి. సో 1/3. So with q is equal to 1/3 and 2/3, q is equal to 1/3 and p is equal to 1/3. Therefore n is equal to 6 is 1. Probability 6 is 0. 6 is 0 minus 2/3 whole power 0. 1/3 6 value is 1.00014, 0.9986. It will become. So 6 is 0 value చెప్తావు నాకు. 6 is 0 value. 6 factorial by 6 minus 0 factorial 6 factorial. The answer. అవునా?
సార్.
అంటే 1. 2/3 0 అంటే 1. 1 into 1. 2/3. 1/3ని 6 times మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పిన? 1/3ని 6 times మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? దాని డివిజన్ చెప్పిన. ఉందా బుక్ నీ ముందు?
సార్ ఉంది సార్.
1/3ని 6 times మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఎంత వచ్చింది?
1/3 into 6 కదా సార్.
1/3 into 1/3 into 1/3 into 1/3. 1/3ని 6 times మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి.
అది 0.00137.
ఓకే, అది 0.0014 వచ్చింది కదా నీకు. 0.00. 0.00. 1 minus 2 is 0.996. Clear?
సార్.
So third problem. The binomial distribution if p is equal to 1/4, what is the probability y is equal distribution y is equal to n minus 6? So y n minus represents the number of failures independently. So n minus 6 is p is equal to 1 3/4 and 3/4 and not చూద్దాం. 1/4 minus 1 ఎంత? p plus q is equal to 1 p plus q is equal to 1 కదమ్మా ఈశ్వరి.
సార్.
p plus q is equal to 1 అంటే ఎంత? q is equal to 1. p is equal to 1 p minus 1 అంటే 1/4 minus 1 అంటే 1 by LCM చేయి. 1/4 minus 1.
3/4 వస్తుంది సార్.
3/4 మరి. తర్వాత fourth question. The chance that the head turns up with the cost time 3/5, the coin is tossed 399 times. How many heads? 399 సార్లు వేస్తే హెడ్స్ ఎన్ని సార్లు వస్తాయట? సో p is equal to 3/5. The chance to head turns up when the coin toss 3/5. The coin is tossed 399 times. How many heads will you expect here? Okay. చేయండి మీరు. హౌ మెనీ హెడ్స్ వస్తాయి అంటే 3/5 minus 1/4 కదా. PC0 ఇంతకుముందు చేసినట్టు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లాగా చేయాలి. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Then fifth one also you have to do. This is the most important in this unit is the mean and the variance of the binomial distribution of the respective. Find the probability x less than 1. First, second question is most important, and the second long question is second one most important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we will go to so we can do the 8 unit applications of Poisson distribution. First 6 units are the same. First 6 unit లో దీనికి సంబంధించిన థీరమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సెకండ్ 6 unit లో దీనికి సంబంధించిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, షేక్ అండ్ ఈశ్వరి. So applications of Poisson distribution. Application of Poisson distribution, check your progress. The properties and characteristics of Poisson distribution were discussed in the unit 2 block 1, and there will be discussed partial applications and numerical examples we have taken here. I am audible na?
Sir.
Okay. This distribution is used to be industrial engineers in the construction. ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగపడుతుంది Poisson distribution? Industrial engineers కు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. Construction of C chart of the control chart of the number of defects per unit. In printing a book, there is a constant probability of the letter being misprinted. అక్కడ కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది Poisson distribution. The conditions of printing remain unchanged. The number of misprints per page has a Poisson distribution. A radioactive substance estimate alpha particles. The number of particles sitting a screen at a given time follows a Poisson distribution. Telephones connecting to a wrong number. This is also a Poisson distribution. Chromos, some interchange in cells. Number of fatal industrial accidents in an industry or some situations for Poisson distribution. Deaths due to click horse in Persian army. Check now, it is okay. My voice is yes. Death due to a person. Ishwari, na voice clear లేదా?
క్లియర్ గానే ఉంది సార్, కాకపోతే కొంచెం లోగా వస్తుంది వాయిస్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Suppose that flaw, one example we have to see here. Suppose that flaws in a plywood occur random with an average of one flaw. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే కదా?
ఓకే సార్.
One flaw అంటే plywood లో ఒక షీట్ for one flaw for 50 square feet. What is the probability in 4 feet into 8 feet? The sheet will have no flaws. We have almost one flaw. Assume that number of flaws per unit area follows Poisson distribution is expected. It is expected one flow occurs to 50 square feet. 1/50 flaws. 1/50 flaws are square feet. అక్కడ example problem వచ్చాడు. 1/50 కి రాశాను. Then 4 into 8 feet అన్నాడు. 4 into 8 is 32 square feet. 32 square feet by divided by 50. 32 by 50 ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి నాకు. Fast. 32 by 50.
0.64
ఇచ్చాడు వాడు, అక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు 0.64 అని.
సార్.
So let by x denote the flower number of the formula is x is equal to 0 e power 6.4. ఎందుకంటే ఫార్ములా e power x, ఇక్కడ e power minus x కాబట్టి 0.64 e power minus 6 e power minus 6.4, that is the value is 0.5273. So probability x less than 1, x is equal to 0. So x less than 1 అంటే అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. x less than 1 0.5272 and x is equal to 0 is 0.5272. X is equal to 1.3375. ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు 0.5375 అని? ఎట్లా ఇచ్చాడు? 0.53 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? సో దిస్ ఇస్ 0.272. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? x is equal to 1 e power 1. అవునా అమ్మా? అమ్మాయి ఈశ్వరి.
yes sir.
So there is e power 1 value is 0.527 to 0.3375. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లో కొట్టి చూడండి వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి, మేక్ ఫాస్ట్. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లో కొట్టి చూడండి e power 1 ఎంత ఉంది? చూస్తున్నారా? చేస్తారా తర్వాత?
సార్ తర్వాత చేసి మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు చెప్తాను సార్.
ఇది దెన్ Example, another example, consider the production process of making IC chips for electronic boards. The probability of producing a defective unit is 0.001. What is the probability of having one defective unit in sample? 10. Use Poisson approximation of binomial distribution. See here. ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ
0.001
ఉద్యోగంలో ఉన్నారా
సార్
ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారా హ్యావ్ జాబ్ లో ఉన్నారా
జాబ్ లో సార్
అందుకే మాట్లాడలేకపోతాం ఓకే సో 0.001 n is equal to 10 therefore lambda np is equal to 0.001 let x is the number of defective sample so okay let x be the number of defective sample lambda 0.1 we are taking here so therefore we know lambda minus 1 that is 0.001 to 0.001 0.0099 the multiplication is the same any doubts you have to raise I will step by step చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతాను తర్వాత డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి తర్వాత okay so the probability of exactly one blemish of a insulated wire of length 1 meter be 1 by 1000 if for all periodical purposes the chance to 2 or more blemishes when a wire of that length is 0 what is the probability of at least one blemish is insulated wire coil of length 500 meters see here in picture ikkada 1 by 1000 no 1000 this is 500 meters of the length so therefore the probability of blemish of the length the chance of 2 or more blemishes the lambda is equal to 1 by 0.5 let x be denote the blemishes of the wire x 0.05 x greater than 1 ante 1 minus లో వచ్చినప్పుడు x less than 1 తీసుకోవాలి x greater than equal to తీసుకున్నప్పుడు 1 minus probability of x less than 1 1 minus probability of x less than 0 and అప్పుడు x less than 1 అప్పుడు x is equal to 0 తీసుకో 1 minus e power so this is 0 నే ఉంది కాబట్టి 0.5 1 minus 0.5 వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే వచ్చే వాల్యూ మైనస్ చేస్తే 0.3935 and another problem past experience indicates that customers arrives at box office cinema I am today ill health but I am taking shit so take more volume from your mobile okay please past experience indicates that customers arrive at a box office of a cinema theater at a mean rate 30 per hour assume that the arrivals follow a Poisson distribution find the probability no customer arrives during the 5 minutes access at least 2 customers will be waiting if 3 recess in 15 minutes the arrival rate is customers lambda is equal to 30 per hour so we have to take here let x denote the number of customers arrived the integral number of Poisson distribution with parameter lambda t we are taking here formula x is equal to k lambda e power minus t by lambda t all power k factorial k is equal to 1 to 2 this is a basic fundamental formula ఎన్ని నిమిషాలు అన్నాడు వాడు 5 minutes అన్నాడు ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ 5 minutes ఎన్ని అవర్స్ అన్నాడు అరే బాక్స్ ఆఫీస్ సినిమా థియేటర్ 30 per hour Poisson distribution 5 minutes అంటే 1 by 12 అవర్ చెప్తారు నాకు 5 minutes అంటే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 by 12 అవర్ 5 by 60 కదమ్మా గంటకు 60 నిమిషాలు కదా
yes sir
5 by 60 అంటే 1 by 12 కదా
yes sir
so probability of x is equal to 0 e power minus 2.5 ఎక్కడ ఇస్తాం so t is equal to 1 by 12 formula e minus lambda how it is minus 2.5 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది చెప్తారా నాకు e power minus 2.5 and 2.5 ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో చెప్తారా నాకు by 2 అమ్మా x is equal to 0 కదా నో కస్టమర్ అట్లీస్ట్ 2 customers అన్నాడా లేదా ఇక్కడ చూడండి అన్నాడా లేదా అట్లీస్ట్ 2 customers అంటే 5/2 అంటే 2.5 అవునా కదా? So for minus 2.5, then 2.50 factorial. దీని వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0.8821. అక్కడ వాడు ఇచ్చాడు, వాడు ఇచ్చింది మనం రాసాము. నేను సొంతంగా ఏం రాయలేదు, కింద ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి రాసుకుంటూ పోయాను. t is equal to 15 minutes ఇచ్చాడు సెకండ్ వన్. t is equal to 15 minutes అరౌండ్ 30 per hour అంటే 1/4 అంటే 15/60 is equal to 1/4. then 1 minus probability x less than 2, that is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. 1/4 అంటే 0.75, that is 7.5/1. so e power minus 7.5 plus 1/7.51, that is the total. చేసి చెప్తావమ్మా ఈశ్వరి? చెప్పు. e power minus 7.5 వాల్యూ చెయ్యి, తర్వాత 1 plus 7 అంటే 1.7 అంటే 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 7.5 1.75/1 అంటే 1.75.
e power minus 7.5 into 1.75 కదా సార్?
అంతే కదా?
సార్ e power minus 7.5 మీరే చెప్పండి సార్, క్యాల్కులేటర్ లేదు.
ఓకే, అది చేయండి. నా దగ్గర క్యాల్కులేటర్ లేదు ఇప్పుడు. అది రెండు చేస్తే 0.0047, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ 0.995. ఒకసారి చేయండి. అయితే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఒకసారి నెక్స్ట్ సాటర్డే క్లాస్ చెప్తా, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. సార్ అది ఎగ్జామ్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ కి పోస్ట్పోన్ అయ్యా సార్?
అవును.
అది చాలా మంది ఫేక్ రియల్ అని చెప్పేసి అడుగుతుంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో ఉండిపోయాం సార్.
రియల్.
ఓకే సార్.
నేను కూడా ఒకసారి పెడతాను గ్రూప్ లో కన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఓకేనా? So Poisson distribution has modes x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. What is the probability that the random x assumes one of these two values? When the Poisson distribution has two modes that x is equal to m minus 1 and x is equal to n, then lambda is positive integer we are taking here. So m minus 1 is equal to, what is m minus 1 is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2. So this is 1, m minus 1 is equal to 1 and this is 2. We can write it or not?
Yes sir.
So first we are taking e power minus 2 into 2 power minus 6 by x factorial. Then e power linear also x equal to e power minus 1 and 2 power 2 factorial by 2 factorial. This simplification is 0.2707. Real probability 0.2707. X is equal to 19 అదే వస్తుంది, 25 అని అదే. X is equal to 2 అమ్మా, x is not 25. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. 0.27 ఏం మారదు వాల్యూ, దట్ is 0.1514. సో క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఉండాలి Poisson distribution లో. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లేకుండా ఏమి చేయలేము.
Okay sir.
Compulsory you have to do calculator. Example, in a Poisson distribution, 3 probability x is equal to 1, 2, probability x is equal to 3, then find the mean and the variance of the distribution. 3 probability x is equal to 1, probability x is equal to 3. So formula is 3 into e power minus lambda. Formula is 3 power into e power minus lambda by lambda 2. So 3 into lambda, then 2 into e power minus lambda cube by 3. So therefore, that is 3 is equal to, this is a 1, so x is equal to 100 got e power minus 1 into 1 by 1, that is 3. Then 2 into e power, then make a 2 తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి e power minus 2. So that is the value of total value we are taking by 1/6 lambda square. Lambda cube లోకి lambda పోతే lambda square. Clear?
Yes sir.
అక్కడ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్, therefore క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 2 1 2 3 3 into 3 ఎంత మొత్తం 9, అవునా?
9.
Lambda square is equal to 9. Lambda is equal to root 9. Lambda is equal to root 9. Therefore, lambda is equal to 3 and lambda greater than 0. Greater than variance, we have to take the situation here. So in this unit, we learned here.
Sir, మళ్ళీ ఆ సమ్ లో లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9
ఎక్కడ చెప్తున్నాం?
లాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ లో.
అవునమ్మా, లాంబ్డా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అంటే లాంబ్డా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 నే కదమ్మా.
సార్
గ్రేటర్ దెన్ అయినప్పుడు మీన్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు వేరియన్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అవుతుంది. లాంబ్డా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 3 అయినప్పుడు లాంబ్డా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ 3 అయినప్పుడు అది గ్రేటర్ దెన్ అవుతుంది తల్లి.
ఫస్ట్ ముందు పేపర్లో సార్ లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 అని ఇచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని ఉంది కదా సార్.
ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాము? ఇక్కడ
84 పేజ్లో లాస్ట్ లో.
లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9. అవును, లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది? రూట్ 9 అవుతుంది. అంటే లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అండి, 0 లేదు ఇక్కడ, ఇది లేదు, ఇది రాంగ్.
ఓకే సార్.
Lambda square is equal to 9, then lambda is equal to 3, but lambda is equal to 3 is 3 greater than 0. Clear?
Yes sir.
So summary: Poisson distribution usual situation when the event has small probability occurrence but the area of output is very big. Poisson distribution has widespread applications in areas such as fault prediction in electric cable, defect occurring in manufactured objects like casting, email messages arriving with a computer, in the prediction of randomly occurring events on our exit, analyzing traffic flow to mention flow. It is also used in the construction control charts. Problem చూద్దాము. exercise చేసినది. So Poisson, if x is a Poisson distribution, Px is equal to 1 and Px is equal to 2. And what is the value of B2 coefficient, beta 2 coefficient? X is equal to 1. X formula in e power minus lambda into lambda 1. అవునా? అవునా అమ్మా? అంటే x is equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ? 2 ఇచ్చాడు. 2/2 ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే lambda is equal to 2 ఇచ్చాడు. 2 రాస్తున్నాం. beta 2 is equal to అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. దిస్ వాల్యూ మే బి హెస్ బీన్ సింప్లిఫైడ్ హియర్. 3 + 1 by lambda. ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో చెప్తారా? 3 + 1 by lambda. 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఎంత? 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఎంతమ్మా? 2 కదా.
Yes sir.
అటువైపు పోతే ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి అమ్మా. e పవర్ మైనస్ లాంబ్డా క్యాన్సిల్. అవునా? ఈశ్వరి, ఇప్పుడు బోత్ రెండింటిని మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా వాల్యూ? అమ్మా e పవర్ మైనస్ లాంబ్డా క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చా? చేసినప్పుడు ఏముంటుంది? లాంబ్డా ఇంటూ లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ అంటే లాంబ్డా ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. λ/2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 1/λ అవుతుంది. సో లాంబ్డాని అక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి b2 = 3/1 + λ = 3. సార్ పేపర్ మీద పెట్టండి, డౌట్ ఉంటే అడుగుతున్నాను. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
Second question: if standard deviation of Poisson distribution is 2, distribution to value of b1 coefficient కనుక్కోమన్నాను. Variance of 4 ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఫార్ములా is 1/4. 1/λ అంటే 1/4. సో 1/4 అంటే 0.25. వెరీ ఈజీ. 1/4 అంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. 1/4 కాబట్టి 1/2 square అంటే 1/4 కాబట్టి. A manufacturer produce switch and experience the 2% switches are defective. Find the probability that in the box 50 switches there are at most 2 defective switches is the Poisson distribution. మూడోది probability switch defects 0.2 size ఇచ్చాడు. 15 to 0.2 ఎంతమ్మా? 1 0.2 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 1 కదా.
సార్.
less than 2 x is equal to 0, 1 x is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ రాశాడు చూడండి. e పవర్ మైనస్ 1 మైనస్ e పవర్ -1/2. సో మైనస్ e పవర్ 1 మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే దీని వాల్యూ 2.5. వీఆర్ అప్లైయింగ్ ద సేమ్ హియర్. దెన్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి క్లియర్ హియర్. Then if x and y Poisson varies, x equivalence p lambda 1 is equal to 1 and y equivalence to p lambda is equal to find the x plus y less than 3. So see here x plus y p lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 3. X plus y less than 3, p0, p1, p2, p3. అంటే ఇది e పవర్ మైనస్ 3 కామన్ తీసాం. 1 + 3/1. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా? ఇక్కడ 1/1, 3/1, 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ బై 1, 3 స్క్వేర్ బై ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 2. రెండే ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 3 ఇస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? 3 స్క్వేర్ బై 3 క్యూబ్ బై ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 3. అవునా? 4 ఇస్తే అట్లా చేస్తే దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే e పవర్ మైనస్ 3 8.5. e పవర్ మైనస్ 3 calculate 0.432. You have to calculate. Clear? Any doubts?
క్లియర్ సార్.
This is important. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Just wait.
My husband name is Vijay Kumar. My father name is Rasiya. My mother is Mama.
Applications of. Just I will introduction this one. Tomorrow, next class, we will discuss this one. Applications of negative binomial distribution. To know the situations of where negative binomial distribution is appropriate. Find the parameters of the distribution in the given description. In the unit 4 also you have studied this one. The problems you have to do here. Applications of negative binomial distribution. The negative binomial distribution used by entomologists. What is meaning by entomologists? Entomologist అంటే ఎవరమ్మా? To represent the death of bacterial insects, number of bacterial birds. Inverse binomial summation is applied in the study population models, where we can obtain constant states of birth and death and constant of rate of migration. Can also model within the. It's used to be analyze the count data in environmental science when the frequently interested. Summarizing changes in abundance of particular organism in the environment as a protection or impact assessment. That is a particular matter investigation. Another example is estimation of the abundance that specifies the impact of the habitat, the changing the conservation. So there is a Bengal tigers situation. Any doubts, ask me. These problems will be discussed in the next class. Any doubts, ask me, both of you. Okay, 4 units next class లో నెక్స్ట్ 2 క్లాస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 2 క్లాసులో సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగవచ్చు, అడిగితే క్లియర్ చేద్దాం. ఇంకా 10 నిమిషాలు. Which any unit, which from 1 to 8 units you have to do. Your doubts we can clarify.
సార్ ఎంట్రోమాలజిస్ట్ అంటే ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ గురించి సెర్చ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు.
సెర్చ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. బాటనీ జువాలజీ వాళ్ళు ఎంటమాలజిస్ట్ అంటాం కదా.
సార్
150, 150, right?
Here, one problem you have to see here. One problem you have to see. If a boy is throwing stones at a target, what is the probability that 10th throw is a 5th hit? 10th throw లో 5th hit అయితే probability of getting 1/2. అంటే 1/2 ఉండదు. 9C4 చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు that boy, what is the probability of 10th throw is the 5th hit? The boy target 4 times. In the previous అంటే 9th throw అన్నట్టే కదా. Previous అంటే 9th throw, 10th throw should be the its target. 9th throw is 9C4. That is 1/2 whole power 4, 1/2 5/9. Last 4 లో success side. 9C4. 9C4 వాల్యూ చెప్పండి మనకు. 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial.
Let's do elbow body. ఎందుకు కావాలి నేనా? నాకు కావాలి లడ్డు. పప్పని మిమ్మల్ని ఎందుకున్నారు? నీకు నాకు పప్ప పది.
ఏమైంది?
126. 9C4
and 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 9 factorial into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by division of 9 minus 4 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again 4 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Interest value.
Huh? 126.
1/2 ను 10 times multiply చేసి 126 into 126 వచ్చింది ఈశ్వరి. 1/2 ను 10 times multiply చేసి ఎంత వస్తుందో చూడండి. 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2 into 10 times. రెండు నాలుగు రెండు ఆరు రెండు నాలుగు నాలుగు రెండు ఎనిమిది 16 32 64 6 సార్లు ఇస్తే 64 వచ్చింది 64 into 2 అట్లా చూడండి 2ను 10 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి అమ్మా 1/2 చేయకండి ఫస్ట్ 2ను 10 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి డివిజన్లో రాసుకుందాము ఏమైంది 1/2 10 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంటే సేపా 2 2 4 2 6 2 4 2 6 4 2 8 8 2 16 16 32 32 64 64 ఇంటూ 2 4 8 2 6 12 128 ఇంకా మూడే చేయాలి మీరు 128 into 2 ఎంత 256 256 into 2 512 512 into 2 ఎంత 2 4 256 512 into 512 2 4 2 1024 1/1024 ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా అమ్మాయి 1/1024 206 into 1/1024 126 తో చెప్పే కదా 126 ఎంత వచ్చింది 9C4
0.000976 వస్తుంది
తప్పు నేను చేసా కరెక్ట్ 0.1230 ఎప్పుడు తప్పు చేసావు చూడు 9 - 4 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ జస్ట్ మినిట్
0.000
చేసావా ఒక స్టేట్
9765
9C4 అంటే ఏం చేశారు మీరు 9 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 బై నేను చేస్తున్న లైన్లో ఉండండి దెన్ 9C4 అంటే 9 - 4 అంటే 5 4 3 2 దెన్ 4 అంటే 4 3 2 4 3 2 4 3 2 గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్ 5 5 క్యాన్సిల్ తర్వాత 2 1s 2 3s క్యాన్సల్ 3 1s 3 3s క్యాన్సల్ 4 1s 4 2s అంటే ఏంటి 7 9 63 63 into 2 2 3 6 126 వచ్చింది అది 9C4 126 వచ్చిందా
అవును సార్
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి 1/2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2 4 6 2 16 32 32 2 64 64 రెండు 2 4 8 2 6 12 2 16 2 4 5 256 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 8 ఇది అయిపోయింది రెండు కావాలి 256 into 2 12 212 into 2 2 4 2 24 అమ్మా అది ఎంత వచ్చింది 9C4 ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా
126
26/1024 just a minute stay on the line please 0.1171 వచ్చింది నాకు మరి మళ్ళీ చేయండి మీరు 126/1024 చేయండి అమ్మా
126/1020 sir
1024 కదా 1024 కదమ్మా 1/2 ను 10 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 1024 వస్తుంది కదా
సార్ అది 0.1230 వచ్చింది
అదే వస్తుంది 126 డివిజన్ 1020 అంతే 0.123 కరెక్ట్.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
మీరు
Correct.
ఇచ్చిన తప్పులు చేస్తారు మీరు. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో ఈ క్లాస్ ప్రొసీడ్ అవుదాం. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir.